have shed a little bit of light on who is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But to summarize, that he was a normal human being, had a normal life until God revealed revelation to him, and that his life and the choices that he made in life, his manners, his etiquette, and so his akhlaq and adab, so his mannerisms and his etiquette, this is what we should follow. And the closer our daily lives, the closer it is to the sunnah, the traditions of Muhammad, the closer we will reach God, inshallah. So that is our ultimate goal, that before we leave this world, we guarantee ourselves the pleasure of our Maker, so that when we eventually are raised again on the Day of Judgment, we will, inshallah, have a good time and then live forever after that in bliss. Any questions?